How to see a private Twitter account without following them. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video we are going to discuss whether or not it is possible for us to see the tweets of a private Twitter account without actually following them, right? So simply make sure to stick with me till the end. So I will show you what the issue is. If I just go ahead and then actually open up the Twitter application and then I open up a specific profile, let's say that this account is actually private, right? I will not be able to go ahead and view their tweets. So how do we do it? Well, you have to understand that Twitter's security is actually very strong. They will not allow anyone to just break in and allow them to see what are the private photos. It's like you're trying to see how you can view private photos on Instagram if someone has made your account private. You simply cannot do that. Twitter is a multi-billion-dollar business and their security is so strong that no one can break through it and no one can break the algorithm and then see from their private account setting. So just keep that thing in mind. However, there are a couple of things that I want you to do is that if Twitter does not allow it, we're going to use some of our own brains and our own common sense, right? So let's say that there is a specific person on Twitter and their account is private. You want to view their tweets, but at the same time you don't want to let them know that you are trying to follow them, right? So what do you do in that case? Well, in that case, I only recommend you that try to create a dummy Twitter account. So when you create a dummy Twitter account and then try to follow them, they will not know that it is the actual person who's trying to follow them. And if they accept it, and hopefully if you are lucky, then you will be able to go ahead and then view their photos and their tweets and everything that they've tweeted on Twitter so far, right? But keep in mind that you cannot break the security bridge. It's against the rule and it's against the Twitter application guidelines. So you cannot go ahead and see it no matter what you do. If there are some services that claim that they can help you see your Twitter account photos and tweets, do not believe them. You're most likely causing yourself to become a scam victim, so you don't want to go ahead and believe those people as well. That's all it takes to see private Twitter account without following, or more importantly, how you can actually use the alternative solution. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.